thank you. Thank you so much kay Dashing Lemon. Maraming beses na namin siya napanood, kaya nagustuhan namin talaga kung paano siya mag-host and yung activities na pinapagawa niya sa mga bata. And yun, sobrang nagustuhan namin yung naging activities and event namin today with Dashing Lemon.
Maraming salamat. Kasi talagang na-enjoy ng mga kids yung party dahil kay Dashing Lemon. Maraming salamat.
And definitely kukunin namin ulit.
Thank you. At i-recommend namin si Dashing Lemon sa aming mga friends and relatives. Thank you very much.